Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this merging shape video animation on CapCut PC. You can find some shapes, but I'm just going to mask them instead. Doesn't really matter actually. I'm just going to go to video, I'm going to go to mask, and I'm just going to basically add in some shapes. So here I'm just going to do star. And then here I'm going to do the heart shape. Where is it? Oops, I didn't even do the heart shape. There we go. And then I am going to just copy and paste these continuously. You can add more shapes if you'd like to, but I'm just going to stick with these. And okay, actually before this, I want to make them a little bit shorter so they change a bit faster. Let's see. Okay, that's good enough. Alright, select everything, right click, create compound clip. Select it again and go to motion blur. And you're going to blend and blur just according to your liking. I'm just going to leave it at this. This is so random. Hold on. I don't know why it's not applying. Oh, okay. Also add 6 times for the motion blur. Oh, here we go. Finally, it's showing up. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!